I would like to say for the new traders, never give up and find your own way to trade and make great money for your dreams. TFT will help you. That's it.
Nice said. Hello everyone and welcome back to another TFT interview. Today I have the pleasure to host Bayarjargal, who comes from Mongolia. Welcome Bayarjargal.
Hello everybody.
Can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and what got you into trading?
Okay, my name is Bayarjargal Shartolgoi from Mongolia. I have been trading for 14 years, since 29. At that time I was a businessman, but my business is not going well because of corruption. It's not easy if you don't have any friends who work for government body. So you know that's not easy, and so I need another way to work and searching another way. And in the end, I heard about forex trading and started this work. From that time, I'm still trading without any other work.
Wow, that's amazing. And can you tell us a little bit about the learning process? Did you learn by yourself or you have been part of communities? Did you have a mentor?
Yeah, I have started this trading 14 years ago. At that time in Mongolia, there is nobody to teach for me, no mentors, and Mongolian people just started trading at that time. So everybody is beginner. So I have learned it by myself, learning English and searching on internet.
Yeah. How did you find TFT and how is your experience with us?
Actually, I'm trading 14 years, but started this work in this year, in January. I decided to buy a challenge with a prop trading company and searched on the internet how many companies, and there was many companies, but I have filtered 3 companies. One of them is it was you. First choice was another company, not you. I have decided to buy a challenge that company, but my bank card is not working. I don't know why, and I couldn't solve the problem. Then I choose TFT, and my card works. In the end, I finally buy a challenge with you and started this work in January this year.
Amazing. And how is your experience? How do you like TFT?
Yes. First thing was the chat. On the website, there is a chat room. The person was, I can't remember the name, but the person was very polite and very fast and very understandable. I like that. And second, your marketing work, your demo, like nights, was very funny. And first, I was a bit confused at the many challenges. What's the difference? And so I need to read your information for 2 hours. Then I like it and bought it.
That's nice. And now you're here. That's amazing. What was the hardest part in the trading career? What did you struggle with the most?
Losing your hope is very big problem. So I would like to say never give up. Second one is controlling myself is very difficult. So don't lose your hope and never give up. And control yourself. That's it.
Yeah. And how did you work on those problems? What kept you motivated to continue trading?
Motivating, I trying to not lose my hope, and if I face some difficulties, I just sleep. Just sleep. After that, I'm a new man and start this again. And I play Go game. You maybe know Go game. It's board game, very popular in Asia. In Chinese, Weiqi, Patok, something. It's Go game. This game helps me to balance my mind.
Yeah, it's important to have something so that you can relax and clear your mind and get your focus back.
Empty your brain.
Yeah, exactly. And what kind of trader are you? Are you a day trader, swing trader, scalper?
Any of them. I can scalp and day trading, sometimes swing trader, but actually I'm very emotional trader. Emotional.
Yeah, we all face troubles with our emotions from time to time.
Yeah.
And how is your psychology towards trading now? And what did you do to improve your psychology?
Psychology. That's always the main problem. But I have found money management. I have created it for myself. I have Excel sheet now. After creating my Excel sheet for money management, I feel very peacefully and calm down because of the Excel sheet. Excel sheet is the money management to help me control my emotion.
And did you read any psychology books, maybe listen to podcasts, watched any videos?
Actually, no. Not read any books. In maybe some movies I have watched it, but it doesn't help me.
And would you like to tell us a little bit about your strategy, how your strategy looks like? Can you share your screen and show us how you analyze the charts and maybe a recent trade that you took?
The success of the trader is actually 3 legs. The success has 3 legs. Leg. First leg is, of course, knowledge.
Yeah.
The knowledge includes everything, almost everything. So fundamental analysis and technical analysis, everything.
Yeah.
But this knowledge is everywhere. You can find it on the internet.
Yeah.
Everybody can learn this knowledge. Second leg is money management. Third leg is mind, discipline. These 3 legs helps me to be successful. And actually, I'm fundamental, both of them, fundamental and technical.
Trader.
First, I have to analyze the fundamentals, then go to technicals. Actually, my analysis is based on waves.
Many confluences. You're also watching the macro and microeconomics, and then you use your technical analysis, correct?
Yes, correct.
And
waves.
Yeah. And do you trade news? Do you trade news reports like CPI, NFP, FOMC?
First time I try to trade during the news, but later I would like to avoid the news.
So you just you try to avoid trading news reports, but you always look at the fundamental macro reports in order to know which currency would be weak or strong.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. And can you share your screen and show us how you analyze the chart?
Actually, I don't have any analysis right now to show you, but I can show you my Excel sheet for money management. Okay, that's my money management. It helps me to control my emotion. First line is loss. Second line is take profit, target. It's very simple and popular, this idea.
So do you determine the loss in pips, or can you explain to us what are the numbers and how you use it?
It's USD in dollars.
Okay.
These numbers in dollars. So my trade must be take profit 20 USD. So this color is changes. It means mission completed. Yes, mission completed. So my next trade must be this line trade. My permission to loss is 320 USD and my target is 640 USD. If I lose, just that's one. So let's go back. It's just difficult to explain in clearly, but it has 2 advantages, this money management. First, this helps me to keep drawdown very low. It's very important, drawdown very low. And it helps me to reach the target after a few trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10 trades can reach, just 10 trades can reach my target. It has 2 great advantages.
Okay, so if I understand correctly, you are first trying to you're risking less, and then when you win, you increase your risk, correct?
Yes. Yes, you're right.
And when you lose, you decrease your risk.
Yes. First trade, 20 USD, mission completed. Second, 40 USD. But it's not important how many pips. It's not important. How many lots, it's not important. And what pairs, not important. Just targeting to take profit. Next trade, ET. Next one, that one is mission completed. Okay, that's it. After 10 trades, I can reach my profit target. It's mission completed.
Yeah.
It requires just 10 trades. But okay, after 6 trade, 7th trade may be a loss. It must be this one. So just one step back. One step back, and still I'm in profit.
Yeah.
So it keeps my drawdown very low. That's my money management.
So which instruments are you trading? Do you trade Forex pairs? Do you trade indices?
Mostly Forex pairs. Sometimes gold, but still eyes on the indices. Eyes on still on the indices. In the morning, I have searched pairs and to find something is good or not. So if I something good, I made a check trade. Let's check it. It's good or not. Let's check it. Like something that. So not too much about 15 pairs. Search it, and at least 2 or 3 pairs must be traded.
And how does your strategy looks like? Do you use indicators, or you're only focusing on price action?
Both of them. I see the price action and use moving average and MACD. Also waves.
Elliott
Most
waves.
important one is waves. And support and resistance also very important. That's all.
And do you actively manage the trade, or you are just using stop orders or limit orders, and then you walk away from the chart?
If I put the stop loss and take profit, I try to go away.
So you just put your orders and you close the chart?
No, I still eyes on the chart because my money management tells me when it's closed or not. I'm just waiting stop loss or take profit. If I think it must be closed, it's closed.
And do you put your stop loss to break even after price moves away from the entry?
Yeah, sometimes I use the trailing stop. If I put more entry, I use the break even.
And do you have any weekly or monthly targets?
Yes, 1 or 2 pairs monthly, and 2 or 3 pairs weekly. For example, the gold is my monthly trade. For example, gold is bullish. This is my monthly trade, so I can scalp on gold buy. Some buys for scalping, like something that very directional.
Yeah. Do you have any daily routine? Like, do you do something like mindfulness? Do you use any mindfulness techniques before you go on the charts to have more clear head and focus? Do you have any specific routine, something that you do before you start trading?
In Mongolia, Mongolia is in the very best time zone to trade. In early morning, you can trade in Asian session. After lunch, the London opens. In the evening, New York opens. And before go to bed, then London closes. It's very good time zone, I think.
And do
the
you
evolution is special? Nothing is special.
And do you trade any specific session, or you trade all sessions?
In the morning, I just analyze the charts and reading news, fundamentals. And before 1 hour London opens, I must be sit in front of the screen until midnight. London closes. London closes at midnight in Mongolia.
Okay. It's a really good time zone, definitely for traders.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. What time frames do you use to execute trades?
My main time frame is H4, then go to daily and 1 hour chart. Sometimes I use M5 chart.
So it depends on what position you decide to do, if you decide to swing or you decide to scalp.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, what advice would you give to new traders that are just getting started?
For new traders, actually, founder trader is a founder trader. I'm newbie here, but my private trading experience is 14 years. So I would like to say for the new traders, never give up and find your own way to trade and make great money for your dreams. TFT will help you. That's it.
Nice, Sad. And what are your goals and plans, both with trading and in general in life?
Goals. First one is, of course, to get the biggest funded account with you. Then second, donations to green, planting in tree in the Mongolian Gobi Desert. You may know last days was very stormy and dusty in China, in Korea, Japan. The sand and dust is from Mongolian Gobi. It's very dangerous. So I want to donation to green planting in tree in Mongolian Gobi. The third one is visit all sites of UNESCO World Heritage. Still trading.
Amazing. You have amazing goals. And do you have any last words that you would like to share with us?
Traders, please never give up and dream comes true because TFT is life changer.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear that you're satisfied with and you have a good experience with us. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. I wish you best of luck with trading and your other goals. And I hope to have you soon on another interview when you reach the maximum allocation.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks to you too. To all of you watching, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments down below if I'm missing a question that you're curious about. Trade safe and hope to see you in the next one.